Hi, thank you for taking a look at the PSE Snake. This bow may not look like much, but it's one of the most durable, indestructible bows that's ever been made. This bow is great if you're wanting to go out and shoot some aerial targets with foo-foo arrows, get a young kid into it, or just wanting to go out and have some fun plinking arrows at hay bales. This bow has an ambidextrous shelf on it, so no matter whether you're right or left-handed, you can shoot this thing. It comes with knocking points already installed on it, and it does actually have a little sight scale on here too, so whenever you're learning how to aim instinctively, you can use that as a reference point as well. It's a great little bow for the price, and you guys could have a lot of fun with this thing this summer.
Hi, I'm Dave Cousins here with PSE Archery, and I want to introduce you to the PSE Pro Max 6225 Takedown Recurve Bow package. Full wood riser, composite fiberglass wood limbs, 62-inch tip-to-tip, 25-pound draw weight. This bow package comes with everything you need to enjoy your first archery experience.
This bow by Toparchery is pre-strung, which means it is prepared for use as soon as you open it. Moreover, this feature is also great for people who are new to the world of archery and don't really have any know-how of how to string and unstring a bow. This traditional bow is a perfect starting model for beginners who need ample practice before they get the hang of the sport. Despite being a good start-off bow, this item is not for serious archers. It is a good investment for occasional shooters or amateurs as it is fairly cheap.